sudo port command not found after installing MacPorts on SnowLeopard. I have attempted to install MacPorts in order to upgrade my Rails version so that I can work my way through Agile web development with Rails, Pragprog, 4th, 2011. I have followed the directions in the book, as well as on the MacPorts website, to perform the install from disk image. It appeared to install correctly, however, running port commands afterwards returned port command not found. I searched Stack Exchange and found this question, so I attempted to install from the command line using tar xjvf MacPorts 1.9.2.tar.bz2. Again, the install seems to work. I received the confirmation that MacPorts installed successfully, but I still receive sudo port command not found error on trying to self-update MacPorts via sudo port v self-update. I think that my error lies in not having the correct path set. I followed the advice in this thread, namely, adding a path, /op/local, in paths.d, but I still get the error. If it matters, terminal is set to open shells with default login shell, /user/bin/login. Should I change this to /bin/bash? So, is this a MacPorts issue, a $path issue, or a stupid user issue?
It is probably a path issue. By default port is installed the directory /op/local/bin. Add the path opt/local/bin as an extra line to the plain text file /etc/paths and you should be good.
You can also add the following line to your ~bash_profile. This will add /opt/local/bin to the executable path and make your port command available to the shell.
Open a terminal, then write your password. Then copy and paste into the bottom. Save the file. Alt+X and then Y. Restart the computer.
This is working for me. First open this file with nano. If it doesn't exist, create it manually or with. Add this line to the file. Now reload. _profile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.